Austin from Jumprope, and in today's video, I'm going to share 7 tips for building an audience on Jumprope. First up, when you sign up for Jumprope, make sure that you choose a username and a profile photo that are a clear indicator of who you are and what you do. If you have other social media accounts, you might want to make it the same so that if someone's searching for you on Jumprope, it would be the same handle on Instagram, YouTube, or your blog. When filling in your bio on Jumprope, make sure that you include keywords like fashion, DIY, or recipes, depending on the type of content that you create. That way, if someone stumbles upon your profile, they'll know if you're creating the type of content they're interested in seeing. Join communities on Jumprope to connect with other people who share your similar interests, so everything from meat lovers to hand lettering artists. And if you don't see a community yet for the category or content that you create, send us a DM on Instagram and we can work with you on getting one set up. Check out featured creators in the category that you're interested in and follow them so you can constantly see examples of what we consider to be high-quality jump ropes. We love seeing content with a steady camera, great lighting, and easy-to-follow instructions. Pick one main category of jump rope to create content for, and keep creating consistently in that category. If we repeatedly see great videos from you in one specific category, we may consider making you a featured creator, or we may feature your guide in a collection within the category. Create on Jumprope with consistency. Whether you decide to upload a video every Monday or commit to uploading a video every other week, this gives people an idea that you're active on the app and that you should be someone that they follow along with. My final tip is to make sure you give your videos a great title. If someone is in the app searching for blueberry muffins or banana pancakes, apparently I'm in a breakfast food mood today, they'll want to make sure that they find a guide that actually has that specific recipe or that specific tutorial in it. So if you can title your guide something like delicious blueberry muffins in 20 minutes, that is something that would come up in search and give you a higher chance of getting discovered by new potential followers. We hope this helps give you some ideas of how you can start to build an audience here on Jumprope, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram for more creator tips.